Hi guys, so I have a quick kind of haul I think today for you guys. Let me turn this light on a little much. I got some things in for craft day. I think I ordered all my stuff like going into craft day like the day before or a couple days before actually. And then all the Anna stuff you guys know I ordered way early. So I am waiting on some things. If anything's available, I will have links for you guys in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Having said that, what a bummer. I ordered a bunch of studio light dies because they're super cute, and most of them were like slimline types or like little pocket dies and things like this. And then I got an email yesterday that they had to cancel one of my orders, which was the grunge slimline, which is the one I was really looking forward to. So I'm like, eesh. I know that happens to you guys sometimes too. I hear about it and it's very annoying. And they gave me a $5 store credit, for that happening. But it's like, I want the dies. I don't need that. So we will see. Hopefully I can source them out somewhere else. But I know there's other places that carry studio light. But it's bothersome because like I was waiting for that, And these things happen. But what's weird about that is that the studio light stuff actually comes from a different warehouse. I think it comes from them directly or whoever houses all that kind of like European kind of design stuff. So they probably thought they had it in stock. They didn't. So there's that. But I do have some things to share with you guys. Oh, real quick. When I went to the dollar store the other day, Dollar Tree, they have these new little flowers, and they're a little much with that silver glitter on there, but not bad. I think if you can knock some of that off just so it's not all over the place. They're pretty colors, So I was like, huh. So I grabbed a ton of them to give away and then some for me to keep. And then they had the little bags. I know before I showed you guys that they had these larger kind of like bags. So I'm actually going to use the ones I have from previous to put my little cases in or like my traveler's notebook swap in if they fit. I think they'd fit. Definitely the traveler's notebook swap in. I'm not sure if the cases fit in there. But I think they're really cute to wrap it in. But these guys are smaller. Much smaller. And what else? Trying to see if there's anything interesting in here. Not really. They did have these chocolate covered pretzels, which I make, and they're super inexpensive just to make them at home. But since we're living in these times, I want to put these in my swaps, and these are already packaged and they look really cute. So I went ahead and grabbed a few of those. I think that's it. Yeah. Oh no, wait. Oh yeah, I know they had this little Trinket Box actually that I thought was really sweet, so I grabbed one. Oh, come on. It's not metal, this part just, it's plastic, but usually they're like metal whenever you buy something like this. And look at that, that's pretty cute. So, they had them in purple and I think in white. Like a lavender, should I say. Alright. Let's get to it. I have some, again, and some Amazon stuff too. So let me just open this up. Sorry, I thought this was going to be easier, so I just opened the boxes but not the things. Oh cool, this is, one of the items I hadn't picked up, so I picked it up over craft day. The 3D Victorian, what do they call this one? It had a weird name. Because for me, I was like, huh? Why? Maybe it was Victorian. 3D Victorian Concentric dies. And as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dies on this. Of course, these are tiny, and who knows how you might use that just as a little decoration. But this outer one is really lovely, and I'm assuming it makes a 5x7 since it is Anna. Yeah, so it's 4.5 by 6.5. That's actually really nice because it's a little bit bigger. I know some of her 4x6 is kind of like, okay, so this one's a little bit bigger, so it almost completely covers a 5x7. But not so much that you can't see the back of the card in the background, which I like that. That's really nice. Let me finish up the HSN things. Oh, haha. Including the new auto ship. The Carte Noire, I guess. I was gonna say that might be the only thing in here, but no, there's this. Oh man, this is gonna be a quick video. Alright, we'll get to the Carte Noire in just a second. This is, I can't remember. I wish I could. Oh yes, cute. So, oh, I do want to mention also on HSN, I should have said at the very beginning because who knows, I know sometimes people fast forward or skip ahead. If there's anything you need to return since mid-September, usually it's their extended holiday return. I think it begins usually mid-September. You can do that until January 3rd. The last day of January. Is that 30, 31? I know, I always forget. I'm the worst. But yeah, so till last day of January, I guess 31. You can return those items. So just make sure if that's something you're interested in or need to do, because I have a few things. just because I changed my mind. Not because they didn't work. I didn't even open them. I was just like, yeah, I didn't really do that. So, make sure to get those returned. Okay, so this is Anna Griffin Favorite Tea Embellishments. Let's check this out. I think this sold out. I hate to say something like that because then it'll come back in stock, but whatever is available, I always have links for. But look how cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, I should have got 2 packs. Do I already have one of these? I thought it was new, but then it looked familiar. And I think I have another one that has to do with tea, but it has like the little napkins and other things. Oh my gosh. So cute. Look at the teacups. And the teapots. Oh my goodness. And then smaller ones. I love that because a lot of times her flowers will be like one size or, you know what I'm saying, larger or just smaller. But this has like small pieces. Look at the little, oh, look at this little creamer. Oh, adorable. Alright, well, I'll have to check and see if there's another one. I will grab it. Alright, guys. I think this is why I hopped on here so early because I just got delivered last night. Otherwise, I would have made the video yesterday. They're like, your stuff will be delivered between 8:45 and 10 p.m. And I was like, oh, that's wonderful. Carte Noire Finishing School. I'm standing up for whatever reason. Let me make myself cozy here. I'm going to sit down. And then I have from Amazon, I bought a snap kit that's not the Drit snap tool that I showed the other day, which, by the way, at Hobby Lobby is $24.99 unless the stuff goes on sale that's like sewing related. I don't even know if they'll include it in a sale, but on Amazon, the link I had and I'll have for you guys is only $14.99. I was like, yeah, that's much better. But whatever, I already have it. I'm just going to keep it. Kind of a pain, but anyway. So Anna Griffin Finishing School Craft Box Carte Noire includes dies, cards, layers, envelopes, embellishments, and sentiments. Love this very, very much. I'm going to skip the gentleman one that comes next because I'm not really interested in it, but other than that, I'll let the other ones come in. And I guess there's a code, right, which I've never used for Finishing School, but there's a little code here that you would pop in. I guess there's info here about that. And there's an example of one of the cards you might want to make. On the inside, it's just examples. Basically saying, you know, run it through your plates the way you run it through your plates. So, that's pretty. Let's check this out. Okay. Oh wow, I love the way these are just set out on top. Just a ton of stickers. Well, let's go. Okay, well, let's start there, I guess. So just an example of these. You got your swallowtail, is that what they're called? The ones with the long... I thought those are yellow. Maybe this is some other kind of butterfly. But anyway, they have that long tail at the end. Really beautiful flowers. Oh, look at that. I love that these are similar but different, you know, like this one and this one. Oh, even this one. The same colorways, just slightly different arrangements. Really, really pretty. And again, this one also has some larger pieces, like over here, or like these roses. And look at this one, like a whole bunch. Oh, it's so pretty. And then, of course, there's different types of butterflies. I was just showing you those guys, but there's these guys. This had sold out, and then they brought it back as an extended delivery. I don't know if they still have it as extended delivery, but I will have the link for you guys either way. Usually by now, the auto ship is done, but who knows. Look at that. So pretty. And, yeah, I don't know what happened. I know a lot of people had questions about having paid for shipping before, and HSN always has a policy like basically they're not going to do anything about shipping, but if the price changes, then they'll match the price. One of my gals said that they wouldn't do that for her, which I think is incorrect. That's something must have happened. But see, this is the only other thing. Those prices that they gave on craft day on some of the items that dropped, they changed it right at midnight. So like if you called the next day and said there was a price match, maybe it's not available anymore. I don't know. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if you have to call while the price is the price. And that's basically what I did. I just chatted online. I never called them. But, and they matched it, no problem. I think it was just, for me, it was 2 Anna Griffin items that had changed in price. So, I don't know, and I'm sorry, but there they are. So pretty. So these are just like little foil accents. Lots of flourishes and butterflies. These are our toppers, sending love and support. Oh, that's nice. Birthday wishes. Happy birthday to you, it looks like it says, thinking of you. I mean, there's just a lot of sentiments of different varieties. The cards themselves let me just... I will definitely do a tutorial, but you guys already know. I'm just going to layer it up and not try to cover up too much of everything. The back of the card still says handmade by. Let me show you the sizing on these. I was going to say they feel a little slimmer. This is interesting because she usually does like 4x9. This is like 3 7/8 by 9 1/4. 9 1/4 by 3 7/8. Okay, I don't know. But that's what it is. So really pretty. I mean, look at that. Again, Carte Noire, so black card or black letter or whatever you want to call it. Just gorgeous. Oh, look at this one. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, I'm digging that. So pretty. And then it has all these gold pieces that we can just cut into, which of course is what I'll do. I love that they're slimline. Obviously it's a slimline thing. The whole year is going to be slimline. And then cream colored card bases. And let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I'm going to say 18 because I lost count. I don't know. That's kind of a weird number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Yeah, 18. And then these little guys that kind of you can mat and layer with these. So let's pretend you had one of those layers, maybe in gold, and then you come in with, you know, this guy on top of that, and then you add your sentiment and flowers tucked in here and there. Super simple. I mean, just easy to use. So kind of interesting that this has like the lavender. This is back to like the Anna, the pink, like peachy feel. There's that shape there with the gold foil. This will be interesting because they're all black on black, but I guess you put maybe some flowers back. Look at this one. That's really pretty because it's already starting for you, kind of a little collage. Minty green, or not, is that minty? I don't know. What color do you guys call this? Like sage, I guess, huh? Kind of like blue with the little flowers. Reminds me of the flowers I was stamping yesterday from Spellbinders. Oh, that set is so cute. The layered wildflowers. Yellow, kind of mustardy background, and then that gorgeous coral. And you guys, it's like 5:45 in the morning because it is early. I like to get up early, but today was a little bit too early. Let's see here. I'm just gonna rip this off, I guess. Now, ever since I got that Diamond Press Big Wish, the slider, I'm like, okay, I need to keep all this. So I think I have enough for now, but I keep it in a bag, and then I'm gonna cut it down and keep it with the dies. So the die sets I always put like in those pockets. Oh my goodness. Which reminds me, Diamond Press brought back some of the pockets on their own site, so I'll link that, the pockets that they were, you know, putting in the boxes. And I think a little birdie, I don't remember what I saw, but they might have some boxes on their site too, but just very few of them. So if you're interested, you better pop over there. I'll have the links right to them if they're available. But I think that's something that's gonna happen. But anyhow, we have these dies here, so this is the Slimline. So you have the outer one, and this inner one isn't an inlay, it has its own layer. So you have this background layer, and then this guy has its own layer. You can use them all together to make like a frame, but this guy mats on top of that if you want it to. So 3 layers, or mix and match them however you want. And then, well, I guess you can't. It'd be these 2 to make a frame. Sorry, guys. Okay, so... it would be these 2 if you want the inlay frame, right? This beautiful part. But if you want this guy in the outer, that can also make a frame too, right? So then you can mix them in different ways. We have the beautiful roses with that embossing, so it's going to be really gorgeous. A little accent piece and another rose. I love that. That's pretty much what sold me. I love her rose dies. So there is that. And if you pause the video, go check out the Diamond Press site. I welcome you back. This is a ton of flowers. That's awesome. I know some people had complaints about one of the auto ships from like the window box auto ship back in the day, saying it didn't have enough flowers, and we had a ton of flowers. So I don't know if theirs were just faulty, or I don't know what people consider a ton of flowers. That's a lot. Okay. Oh, this is the other snap kit from Amazon. So they have tons of them. I picked the one that I like because it's pink and I like the price. So that's why I chose this one, but of course they have tons. And you can get them all kinds of places. But Amazon, honestly, they have tons. But like I said, I like the pink plier, so that's why I got that. Let me take this off of here. Oh, they have it in a baby blue too. I don't know if I saw that one, but I didn't really care because I like pink. And here it's telling you how to work the thing. Now it does grommets too, but I don't care about that. I want it for the plastic punch part of it, which is basically this. So I'll probably always have that on it. But the Dritz tool feels really nice and sturdy, but I know some people were saying like it'd probably hurt their hand by the time they're actually punching with that or clamping it. So let's just check this out right quick. It has all kinds of snaps. Supposedly some of these are fun shapes, but I only see circular ones for now. That can't be right. Or maybe it can be. And I don't know if they're mixed. That's the thing. Yeah, I guess they're mixed together. See how it has little hearts and round ones. So they're in there. It does come with some grommets and some snaps, like the regular metal ones, which I'll probably never use. Okay, so I do see a heart there. I know some of them have star shapes, but I don't know. As I'm saying, they're not all heart shapes. Like this one's all white. Circular ones. Maybe these ones down here are the ones that have fun shapes. That's why they're down here. Yeah, because this one has the hearts in there. I really only like the hearts and the circles anyway, so that's what I was looking for. But this one has like stars and circles. Or round ones. There you are. There's the stars. Okay, so it looks like these down here are the ones that are shaped with the regular circle ones, and these are all just circular. Of course, there's tons of them. It has this little tool here for changing things out if that's what you need to do. I was gonna say, hey, what happened to the other one? But it's over here. The Pokey Tool, which if you guys recall, we used to make the holes so that you can put your little snaps in. All the different tools for the different heads. Of course, I don't care about those because I just want to use the plastic ones, which it's already loaded with, which is great because if I open this, it's already ready to go with the one that will help you set the plastic heads is what it looks like. So it does have a little, I might have to put some WD-40 on that. But somebody was asking if this one goes on the table. I suppose it could if you push it down on the table. But I'll do a full review of it later, okay? So I just want, ooh, no, that's not good. I will put some WD-40 on that. I will do a whole tutorial on it later. I just wanted to show it to you guys. But there's that. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye now.